Hello students of class 7th, welcome back in my video number 22. As you know that we were on chapter number 3, fiber from animals, and we have already done the exercise C, short question answer of this chapter, and I will continue exercise D, which contain long detailed question answers. Your question number 1 is write a short note on the life cycle of silkworm. First of all, give the heading of long question answer of the top of your page. Write the question over here and give heading life cycle of silkworm. We will write the answer in points and it's in your book. Come to the page number 27. And come to the last paragraph of the first row. Point number 1. It start from here. The female silk moth lays eggs in groups. The second point. The eggs develop into silkworms called larva or caterpillar. Come to the last line. Third point. Before moving to the next stage, it spins a solid cocoon around its body and changes to the next stage, pupa, inside the cocoon. Fourth point. The cocoon takes about 3 days to be fully complete. Fifth point. The cocoon is made of a fiber which changes to silk on exposure to air. Sixth point. The pupa emerges from the cocoon as a silk moth. These are the 6 points which are on page number 27, or I will show it in your copy also so that you can understand how to write it. Give the heading of life cycle of a silkworm and write point number 1. Leave one line after that. Point number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this question, you must draw the life cycle of the silkworm, which is on page number 28. Here is the life cycle of a silk moth. No need to color the picture. I'll show you in the copy. See this picture and do all the labeling which is present on the page number 28, figure 3.3. Okay students, come to the next question. Question number 2. Enumerate a few health problems associated with sericulture. Write the question with black pointer and answer. Give the heading health problems associated with sericulture. And the answer is in your book. Come to the page number 30. Health hazards in silk and wool industry. And write from here. Some of the serious जस्ट वंस को काट दीजिएगा और इसकी जगह आप लिखेंगे डिजीजेस। Some of the serious diseases are discussed below. Number 1. Point number 1. Sorter's job in wool industry is risky as sometimes they get infected by a bacterium called anthrax, which causes a fatal blood disease called Sorter's disease. Point number 2 is the worker who dip the cocoons in boiling water to extract silk stand in water for long hours. As a result of this, their skin become raw and blistered. Point number 3, the silk industry workers inhale vapors arising from the cocoons in boiling water, and after that you will continue this point from here. This results in health problems like asthma, bronchial allergies and alignments. Number 4th point is the handling of dead silkworms with bare hands leads to various infections and illnesses. Point number 5, the workers in weaving industries are exposed to noise made by spinning and winding machines and looms. This results in hearing deficiencies. Point number 6 is working in poorly ventilated damp rooms causes various respiratory problems. Okay, the answer has 6 points. Okay, and it's on page number 30. Come to the next question. Question number 3 is not included. Write question number 4 as question number 3. Explain in detail the process of converting wool to yarn. The answer of this question is also in the book. You will write the question like this and give the heading, the process of converting wool to yarn, and come to the page number 27. Here is the figure 3.2. We will write the answer of this question in points. Point number 1. The sheep are sheared to remove the fleece. Point number 2. Fleece is baled for transport to the mill. Point number 3. Sorry, this is the point number 3. This is 4. Fleece is washed to remove dirt. Point number 4. carding machine combs the loose wool fibers into a sheet. Point number 5. The sheet is twisted into a rope called sliver. Point number 6. The sliver is stretched and twisted into a thin yarn. Point number 7. The yarn is wound to form balls of wool. This is the answer of question number 3. I'll show you in the copy also. The process of converting wool to yarn. This is the heading, and you will write all the points here. The sheep are sheared to remove the fleece. Number 2, fleece is baled for transport to the mill. 3, fleece is washed to remove dirt. 4, carding machines comb the loose wool fibers into a sheet. 5, the sheet is twisted into a rope called sliver. Number 6, the sliver is stretched and twisted into a thin yarn. Number 7, the yarn is wound to form balls of wool. You will write all the points like this, and no need to draw the diagram. ये डायग्राम बनाने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ आपने पॉइंट्स में आंसर लिखना है, और ये सारे पॉइंट्स जो हैं इस बुक में मौजूद हैं. फिगर देखिएगा 3.2, और इसमें ये पॉइंट्स सारे मैंने लिख दिए हैं. आप आराम से इसको देख के यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, these 3 questions include in your detailed question answer. We will not do the question number 5 also. Okay students, here we completed our long question answers also. Come do your work very neatly and draw diagrams. Okay, the next chapter will be continue in my next video. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.